Today, I'm making something the whole family will love. Fresh ingredients, carefully prepared, mixed with delicious ingredients and cooked with love.
Mummy's cooking!
That smells really good.
And when it's ready, everyone comes running. Yumrita pasta, delicious moments made for the people who matter most.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can generate commercial product ad video like the one you just watched. You can see it is very realistic. It looks so real, like real human beings, but it was actually generated with AI. I'm going to show you how you can achieve that for your business or for yourself, and the AI tool you can use to achieve this. It is beginner friendly. Even if you have not created AI video before, you can create this kind of product and video. And there are other types of videos you can also create with this AI. So you can create viral videos, clone videos, UGC videos, podcast videos, and what have you. A lot of beautiful videos you can create with this AI, and it is very easy to use and very seamless. If you're seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Stacy. Here I share ideas on how to earn extra income online. I share AI content as well as how to grow on YouTube. If you love this type of content, do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video, and also give the video a thumbs up. First thing to do is to head over to ChatGPT to generate your prompt. As you can see, I've already generated my prompt from scene 1 to scene 6. So you read through the prompt, and if it is correct, you can copy it. Then the AI tool we'll be using is called Nestify AI. This is the interface of the Nestify AI. Once you come to Nestify AI, you will see an interface like this. If you don't want to use this interface, you can change it to home, and you'll see all the features you need to generate your video. You can actually do this with your phone. If you do not have a laptop, you can do this with your phone, but for you to get this interface on your phone, you need to turn it to desktop. There's a place you will click on your phone, you will turn it to desktop. I'm going to be showing you that towards the end of this video, because I generated part of this video with my phone when my battery ran down. So when you come to this home, this is the home of Nestify AI. This is the interface you will see. Okay, then you can create viral video with this AI. You can create so many types of video. You can see clone video, UGC video, product ad video, which is the one we are doing right now. These are different types of videos you can actually generate with this AI tool. So, and the good thing is that this AI tool has different high grade of Seedance. You can see Seedance 2.0 and the latest Seedance of 2.5 that generates AI video up to 30 seconds. This is the one I'm going to be using. So you click on Seedance 2.5, then you select your aspect ratio. Because it is a YouTube video, I'll be selecting aspect ratio 16:9. You can use 9:16 if you are creating for TikTok or for Facebook Reel or even YouTube Reel. Then you select your seconds. Because I want to generate it once, I'll be selecting 30 seconds. If you're using the other version of Seedance, it cannot get to 30 seconds. The maximum is 15 seconds. So you select all of the, then your generation will be like 1, because you don't want to spend much units creating this video. This is where you now paste your prompts. The prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Then you upload your image, your reference images. The good thing about using this AI is I can upload as much as 9 different reference images. So you click on add and you add your images. So I'm going to continue with my phone. I've already pasted the prompt I copied from ChatGPT. I divided it into 2 because it cannot, this particular website cannot contain the prompt at a go. You have to edit it before pressing it here. You need to attach reference images where necessary. So you can see where I said image 1. So for image 1, I'll be attaching the image. For instance, I said a Nigerian mother, image 1. So I will delete this image 1, then I'll attach the image there. To attach it, you have to type at. The different images will come. You choose the one you want to attach there. So I'm selecting this. That's how you're going to attach all the images. So I'll attach image 2 here too by deleting this. We'll type at, select image 2, which is the product itself. That's how you're going to do attach all the images you need for this video. So I'll just do that and return back. So once you finish attaching all the reference images, you cross-check before clicking generate. So ensure that you attach the right reference images to the right prompt. So I've done that. I've finished doing that. So I'll just click on generate and wait for it to generate. So it's generating now. So our video has generated. The second one is also generating, but let me play for the first one. Remember, I divided the prompt into 2, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. So this is the video.
Today, I'm making something the whole family will love. Fresh ingredients.
Very smooth, lip sync, everything, realistic, pro.art video. This is exactly how you can generate it using Testify AI. If you noticed from the beginning of the video, I selected 30 seconds, but when it got to generation, after pressing the prompt, I discovered that you cannot paste more than 2,000 prompts. I need to divide the prompt into 2 by generating 50 seconds each. That's how I got 15 seconds into 2 and then combine the video. So if you have any question, you can drop it. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video.